What if an entire object detector lived inside one chip? No GPU, no cloud. This is SiliconYOLO, a pre-trained neural network frozen into silicon. We start from YOLO V10N. Unlike older detectors, it's NMS-free. It needs no non-maximum suppression step. So an entire awkward hardware block simply disappears, leaving a clean feed-forward pipeline that maps beautifully onto an FPGA fabric. The flow is simple. Take the pre-trained weights, quantize them to 8-bit integers, then freeze them into a fixed contract, and hand that contract to hardware. No retraining, no fine-tuning loops, just a deterministic path from model to metal. And the results speak for themselves. INT8 quantization is near lossless. Accuracy barely moves from the floating point baseline. The design runs at 51 frames per second on a Kintex 7, using 38,000 LUTs, just 3.2 watts, and ZERO DSP blocks. Every multiply built from constant coefficient logic, and every data path is verified bit exact against the software golden vectors. Why does this matter? It unlocks private milliwatt-class AI at the edge, vision that runs on a battery with nothing ever leaving the device. SiliconYOLO, we froze a neural network into silicon. And it's economical too, about 26 times better energy per frame and roughly $2 per chip at volume. Here's our bet. Hard coding a model into silicon is a proven idea. Thales just raised $219 million doing it for small language models. We're betting on the opposite layer. The biggest edge opportunity isn't language, it's perception, vision, voice, and sensing. And a perception model never changes, which makes it perfect to freeze into a chip. And the market agrees. Non-LLM edge AI, mostly computer vision, is already a $20 billion market, on track to cross $100 billion by 2030, growing nearly 30% a year. The on-device language model market is real, but several times smaller and slower. Perception is simply the larger prize, and it's exactly where fixed-function silicon wins. We also built it to fit. SiliconYOLO is a self-contained accelerator block. Control rides on a standard AXI light bus, while pixels and detections stream over AXI stream, so it drops straight into any system on chip, right next to a CPU, an image processor, or a RISC-V core. No glue logic required. So that's the thesis. The next wave of edge AI won't run on smaller software. It will be the model itself, etched in silicon. SiliconYOLO, a drop-in vision brain for the next billion devices.